If you're ready to do math today and you have your coffee ready, join me in the simultaneous sip.
The question we're working on today is, find the first partial derivatives of the following function. And the function is f of xy is equal to the square root of x squared plus y to the third. Smash that like button and let's get started. This should be an easy one today if you remember how to take derivatives. So our function is f of xy is equal to x squared plus y to the third, all raised to the 1/2. And so if we want to take the partial derivative with respect to x, all we do is we just treat y as a constant. So we'd bring the power in front, 1/2 x squared plus y to the third, and then we drop 1 from the power, so to the negative 1/2, times the derivative of the inside, which is just 2x in this case. And now let's clean it up. So the 2's would cancel, we're left with x over x squared plus y to the third to the 1/2. And now to find the partial with respect to y, we do the same thing except we treat x as a constant. So we bring the power in front, drop 1 from the exponent, so it's x squared plus y to the third to the negative 1/2, and times the derivative of the inside. Using the chain rule, that's 3y squared. And now let's clean it up again. So this works out to be 3y squared over 2 x squared plus y to the third to the 1/2. And it's as simple as that.
Make sure to subscribe for more Coffee and Math with Dr. Weselcouch. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye.